Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. So many of you had been asking about our safety after hearing the news of heavy rain in Kerala. We are currently safe and sound and everyone in our location are also safe, I hope. But some areas in Kerala have been badly affected by landslides and flood. Really sad to hear the news regarding that. Many are away from shelter, praying each day and each moment to get everything back soon. Lots of prayers for the families who have lost their loved ones. Do keep us in your prayers as well. And thank you so much for your appreciation through comments, emails, and Instagram messages on my last video. Happy to know that the video was really inspiring and helpful for many to start a healthy lifestyle. Glad to know that many have joined the program as well. Best wishes to all for your healthy transformation. So moving on to today's vlog. I don't know how, but I missed to upload this vlog, which was taken quite some time back. This video was taken before our trips. That's on the day we left for our family trip with my in-laws. I had some chicken left in the fridge, so I thought I'll make a quick dish with it. I wanted to prepare something quick and easy, yet shouldn't compromise on the taste definitely, and a pulao to have the chicken with. Kids were really excited for today. As it was today afternoon, we are leaving for our whole family trip. They are just waiting to meet their cousins to have fun with. It was a weekend and Arman had his tuitions. Their exams in school are going on now, but as I said, this video was shot a long time back. I guess almost a month now. But didn't want to not upload it as it included the simplest yet delicious recipe I have made anytime here. Here I'm not using any spices separately. I'm using ready-made chicken masala from the packet. But if you don't have any ready-made ones, I shall share below in the description box on what other spices you may add. So don't forget to check the description box. If I need any non-veg dish to get that authentic or traditional or the Kerala taste, I make sure I use only shallots in it. Now some of you had confusions on this and had asked me if they are small size onions. They are not onions and taste quite different. Maybe not all house keeps the shallots, but what I would say is for some dishes, the real taste comes by using shallots, especially non-veg or when you are tempering any curry. Shallots versus onion, shallots is a winner for the taste. Into 1 kilo chicken pieces, you will have to slice enough shallots. Then slice garlic. Crush a piece of ginger. add the ginger to the pot. As I said, I'm adding ready-made chicken masala. When I checked the ingredients on the packet, it had salt in it. Without checking that, I added more and had to remove it later. So do check the ingredient list on the packet if you're using ready-made ones. Add curry leaves along with the stem if you're using organic one. The stem has got lots of flavors in it. Now time to add chicken masala. Here I added 2 big spoons almost. Some coconut oil and mix. Forgot to add tomatoes, so chopping in. Mix thoroughly. The chicken will bring out lots of water from it once you start cooking, so do not add any water at this point. Cover and keep on low flame. On the other hand, heat some coconut oil and roast some grated coconut and some curry leaves. Roast till it changes the color to a golden brown shade. To make the pulao, I'm using basmati rice. Wash well and leave it to soak in water for some time. Meanwhile, don't forget to check on the chicken. Give a mix in between so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. That's for the pulao, crushing some garlic and ginger. You may crush in your mixer grinder too. I love to use this way as it tastes better. Here I have few sliced onion too. Chop few tomatoes as well. Now you may use any vegetables to add in the pulao. I had only potatoes with me, so chopping into big chunks. You can add carrot, cauliflower, broccoli and many such. The chicken is almost getting done. Now time to add the roasted coconut. I love to get that bite of coconut, hence adding as such. If you want, you can crush them in a grinder to make it a powder and then add. Give a good mix. Make sure it's still on low flame. Now if you want to have a bit more gravy for this, you can add coconut milk or just hot water. Do not add so much as the taste will just vanish. This dish is better when dry and a bit wet. For the pulao, heat some ghee in a pressure cooker. Add few cardamoms and cloves. Then fry in the crushed ginger and garlic. After the raw smell leaves, add sliced onion and saute well. When the onion goes soft and translucent, add chopped tomatoes. Mix the chicken in between. Since I want it to be a bit dry, leaving the lid off and kept the pot on medium flame so that the liquid in there evaporates quickly. Or else you may turn off the flame at this moment. Add some curry leaves. Here again, not adding each spice powders. Instead, I added some chicken masala itself. Mix well and let the raw smell leave. And now it was time to turn off the flame here. Into the pressure cooker goes in some curd, add some mint leaves and mix well. Now add washed and drained basmati rice. Give a gentle mix without breaking the grains. Add hot water. The ratio is for every 1 cup rice, add 1.5 cup water if you're using a pressure cooker, or else use 2 cups water. And make sure you're using hot water. The quantity also depends on the quality of rice you're using. Time to add potatoes and some salt. Cover the lid, lock the pressure, keep on high flame. After the first whistle, keep on low flame and cook for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, frying some coconut pieces to add to the chicken. It even tastes good when you get that bite having that chunks of coconut. Add some curry leaves too. Add the fried coconut to the pot and cover. These are papads that we have for our lunch or dinner. I guess many of you asked me regarding this. I'm actually not a fan of this and not the very healthiest, I would say, as it's deep fried. If at all I eat, it's with biryanis, and that too not every time. This just fluffs up when you put in hot oil. That's the reason I poke few holes in these. Once the pulao has released all the pressure, open the lid and leave it as is for 5 to 8 minutes. Mix the rice with a fork. That's my black tea with mint and jaggery. I do have tea when I feel so as my mid-morning treat. This is my toiletry bag that I carry while traveling. Usually it gets messed up when we travel for 1 or more days. So having a bag like this is a space saver. I shall put a link to this in the description box. So that's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed watching it. If so, do give a thumbs up so that I know you loved it. Shall come up with more vlogs. Until then, take care. Bye bye.